In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide card covers in Trello. If you're looking to streamline the appearance of your Trello board, or prefer a cleaner, more minimalistic look, this quick guide will show you how to easily hide those card covers. Let's dive right into the process, which is as straightforward as it gets. First, you'll want to locate the three dots icon on the top right of your Trello board. This icon is your gateway to managing various board settings, and you'll notice it's conveniently placed within easy reach at the upper corner of your screen. Clicking this will open a menu full of options designed to help you customize and control your board's features. Next, from this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. The Settings section contains various tools that give you more control over your board's appearance and functionality, making it a vital stop on this short journey to decluttering your Trello experience. Selecting Settings will take you to a new set of options where you can modify how your board operates and looks. Now, what you'll be looking for is an option labeled Card Covers Enabled. This setting is crucial for controlling the visibility of your card covers. It's a simple toggle that, when clicked, will disable the card covers feature and effectively hide them. This means that your cards will now display without those sometimes distracting images unless you choose to open the card. Clicking this toggle is essentially flipping a switch. It will immediately affect all the cards on your board, giving it a cleaner, more streamlined look. And there you have it. Just like that, all your card covers are hidden. Now the contents of each card will remain tidy and less visually overwhelming, only showing their covers when you decide to open them. This is particularly useful if you're dealing with a large number of cards and want a clearer view of the information that matters most without the distraction of images. That's all there is to it. With these few simple steps, you've successfully hidden your Trello card covers, giving you a more organized looking workplace and perhaps making it easier for you to focus on prioritizing tasks at hand. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you enjoy a more streamlined and distraction-free Trello experience. Feel free to revisit these instructions anytime you need to re-enable or disable this feature or explore further settings for a customized workflow.